Peace, family. This is EsiK with another video. And while everybody is doing VLOGMAS, I'm going to be doing VLOGMESS because this is actually my day 3 of renovation of my upstairs bathroom. And the workers did not come out first thing in the morning, which they was. They supposed to be here at 8 o'clock, and it is after 12. The head office called me at 11:45 saying they'd be here at 12:45 because they had an emergency flood over at somebody else's house. So I am very discouraged today because they are procrastinators, and I don't feel like they are getting as much done as they possibly can. But yesterday, the contractor told me that I might have to run all of these units for the next 2 or 3 days before they can actually remove the tub and start replacing the flooring and also the sheetrock over there that leads to the plumbing area of the tub. So we wound up having another problem, which I did see when I did come up here and check. When he removed the vanity, we began to have a leak on the right side of this valve. So when he came back from lunch, he did tell me that Miss Martin, boss lady, we got another problem upstairs. We have a leak from the turn-off valve that is not working. So I did explain to him that I did see that and I was going to question it. And he told me that I would have to replace this valve and put another valve on top, which I had to really think quick. And he did tell me they're going to charge me probably $120 to $180 to get somebody out here to replace it. And they were not allowed, according to insurance, to do that. So I had to think really, really quick, and it really worked out in my favor. A couple of weeks ago, I had to replace my water heater, and the plumber that came out and replaced my water heater was really, really nice. And I called him real quick and explained the situation to him, and he told me that he can give me the piece because if I call the main office, they're going to charge me $180. So he said he can give me the piece and he would explain to me how to put it on. So I told one of my sons how to do it. But he was so nice, and he said, he called me back. He told me to take pictures, so I took pictures of it to show him how it was leaking, which it was on the right side, the puddle was. So he said that he was gonna swing by. He was gonna come up and put it on himself. And when I tell you the guy did it in less than 2 minutes, he did tell me it was very easy to do. So if my son had to do it, he wouldn't have no problem. But he did come and he put the valve on there. Yes, I'm good.
Temperature of the room, temperature of the dehumidifier. Oh, it's cut off too.
Yeah, I just pulled it out. You can put it right back in.
Bad thing about it
Because
is
it was making a lot of noise. And
the temperature's dropped
I
off.
wanted the people to hear me while I'm talking. Sorry about that, you guys.
The temperature's right.
Okay, you guys, I'm back. The contractor is here getting ready to test the moisture in the floor. Up here in this bathroom, and then he'll go and test the moisture in the ceiling in the kitchen, and then he will test the moisture with the insulation under the house. So yesterday they did pull some of my insulation under the house as precaution because we don't want wet insulation under the house causing mold. So they did pull that out. So now it's about to get noisy because we got to put the fans and the humidifier back on. And yes, these are running throughout the night. So this is all we hear up here and downstairs. So we have 4 units running up here, 5 units running in the kitchen, and 2 units running under the house. So that's what EsiK is dealing with.
4 under the house.
Oh, we got 4. Contractor said we got 4 under the house. So that is 9. That's 13 units running, you guys. So, this is what EsiK, the homesteader, is dealing with right now. And hopefully he'll get a good read on the moisture so that we could begin to proceed with removing the tub. And hopefully, I believe the next step will be flooring and then replacing the tub. And then I guess replacing the sheetrock and things of that nature. So I'm thinking that upstairs will be done before downstairs, because we got a lot of steps to go through downstairs. We will have to close up the ceiling. We will have to probably sand down the stucco that's on the ceiling. Then we will have to paint. Then we will have to put the flooring down, and we will be shifting a lot of the refrigerators and dishwasher, things of that nature. And then hopefully we just get a good read on moisture. And if we get a good read on moisture, then we have the go. All right, family. So while everybody else is enjoying a VLOGMAS, I'm dealing with a VLOGMESS. So this is EsiK, the homesteader, you guys, and I will be bringing you guys more updates on my renovation. I would call it a renovation remodel. But yeah, you guys, thank you for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Okay, you guys, this is EsiK with an update on the kitchen. So now the contractor is checking the moisture in the kitchen area. As you can see, they had to tear up the floor, so that was done. And now he has to check the moisture level in the unit down here for the moisture in the kitchen. And also, I think he has to use this tool to put into the floor area as well, as the tool that he has to use to put in this machine that catches all the moisture. It's amazing how this machine pulls the humidity out of the air. So he is doing his paperwork right now, so he has to get the machine loaded, and then he puts the machine into the humidifier machine, and then it gives a reading on how much moisture has been taken out. And also, you can see the hose that carries the moisture into the sink. And I hope you guys can hear me, because it is noisy, so you can see the moisture that it actually purges out. It's pretty amazing. Definitely learning experience. So these are the fans that are hoping to dry the floor out. So you guys want to so that's why they have to pull the floor, because it has moisture in it. So this is what the ceiling is still looking like. So right now, he's saying that I should be fully dried out according to the readings. So that's a good thing. He said I'll be dried out by tomorrow. So we have to run these units again. Another day, another night. So I'm probably going to be out of commission probably for another week. This may even go into 2 weeks. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping at least by next week. I'm hoping, but I don't think that's going to happen, because we have other contractors that have to come in. This company is only used to dry out, but they do send out other contractors to do the flooring and also the sheetrock and some of the plumbing that needs to be done upstairs as far as the tub is concerned. So hopefully that won't be a headache, and things will go into place. Alright, you guys. So this is EsiK bringing you an update on the kitchen area. So hopefully we'll get a good read. And installation that they had to remove yesterday before they replaced it. Alright, family? So this is EsiK. I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I can get outside, but I won't be going in the house not today. But I will he'll let me know what the meeting is looking like in the house so I can work it. Okay, family, I'll see you guys on the next VLOGMAS.
It's slow.
Okay, you guys, I'm a little irritated again. So as you can see, the 4 units that are down here that's supposed to be drying out the installation, they never even plug these things up. I don't know what these guys is thinking. They never even plugged them up. So I'm irritated again. So I don't know how he's going to be able to test the moisture because these was never turned on. So I'm going to go back inside and let him know that he never even turned these units on. They were supposed to put a drop cord to connect all of them together, and it was never done. These contractors is overworked. They're doing too many jobs at one time. They need more workers. It's only 2 dudes that's running around trying to take care of unexpected floods in people's households. All right, you guys, I'm back. Okay, so according to the contractor, they forgot to put these things on, but he's saying they wasn't supposed to go on until today because he still has to remove some of the insulation that is back there. I know I seen him take out about 4 or 5 bags yesterday of installation, but he said they have to remove some more, and then he'll turn these on, and hopefully we'll get this moisture that is in the installation, and then the installation will be replaced. All right, you guys, so this is what it's looking like in my crawl space right now. So let me move out of the contractor's way so he can do what he needs to do, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace. Okay, you guys, so this is the contractor moving the humidifier, the machine that tests the humidity, and also the fans. He has to work his way to the front area, which is, my kitchen is in the front part of the house, so he has to work his way over to that area to place the fans and the machine that collects the humidity. So it's kind of what it's looking like right now. So he's managing. He doesn't have his right-hand partner today, but he's managing. Yeah.